Hello everyone, welcome back to Chill with Sabi. I hope you're all doing well. Today, I have got two incredible diecasts to share with you all. One from Hot Wheels, other from Lego, the Bugatti Bolide. Seriously, both of these are so cool. But before we get into the details, let's start with the unboxing. This design is amazing. It has a smooth, streamlined shape looks just like the original car, combining a savage and stylish look. The paint job is vibrant, making it a standout. And details, you can see the exhaust in the rear wings perfectly, which are definitely the highlights for me. This isn't just any car, it's the Bugatti Bolide. Known for its extreme performance and cutting-edge design. With its lightweight carbon fiber and powerful W16 engine, this car is built for speed and flexibility. And Hot Wheels has done a great job capturing the quality of this rare and special car. Now, let's switch gears and talk about Lego version. You can see the Lego engraving and it has some cool features like steerable wheels, and working doors. You've got that classic logo charm, and the detailing is impressive for a buildable model. So if you are into Lego, you definitely need to check this out at the Lego store. Getting back to the diecast car, I'm truly impressed with the Hot Wheels design. It's a 1:64 scale model and came in two colors. Back in 2023, it was released in blue, and this year they released in yellow. I think the yellow stands out more than the blue. Let me know in the comments which one you prefer, blue or yellow. Overall, the Hot Wheels Bugatti Bolide is a must-have for the collectors. It's a fantastic design, smooth performance, make it a standout diecast car. And that's a wrap. And I would love to hear your thoughts on this stunning diecast car. Thanks for tuning in. Your support means a lot, especially since I invest a lot of time and research into creating them. I'm always eager to hear what other cars you would like me to review. So drop your suggestions in the comments. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And hit that notification bell to stay updated on my latest reviews. Can't wait to see you in the next video. Until then, keep exploring, keep smiling and happy collecting.